What's up, Mr. Bean? Uy, parang may nauna na sa atin dito. Okay. Parang may nangyari na. Seems like somebody's been here.
Yeah.
And they left some behind. Hawaiian sweet Maui onion. Potato chips. Oh,
I think somebody stole the digital camera.
it's potato chips lang, oh. Melty cheese pizza potato chips. I'll take the potato chips. Bubot itong iba. Oh, there's some on the other side. Potato chips pa. Oh, meron pa dun, oh. Mahal! That bag there. And there's another potato chips here. I can't
bag?
reach that. No, this one. Not that bag. This one. Oh wow, that's a lot. Oh, it's potato chips. Sweet butter. That's a lot. That's a whole bag. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's open.
Oh.
They cut it open, I think. Let me see. They cut it open. That
Not
smells
all of them.
good. Not.
Not all of them. But this one's not.
This one, they cut it all open. Okay. This one is not. Oh. It's got. It's yummy though. Tinikman. Mukha. Mukha nila. Ito yung lasa nito isa. Tamis, oy.
Here.
It's open.
Oh?
They cut it. Yeah.
Why does it look like it's puffy?
No, it has.
Like full of air?
It has.
Okay.
Oh, I'll get this. Alright. They're good though.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's yummy. You wanna taste it? They're yummy.
O2 jalapeno and cheese flavor.
Tara na. Wala na. Oh. Hello, Mr. Bean. Uy, madaming yogurt dun sa kabila. Oh, magkasya kaya tayo. May delivery kasi sila. Ay, naku. Ayun, oh. Ay, di ko dala yung aking ano. Kuhanin natin yun sa kabila, oh. Di ko dala yung ano yun. Parang masarap yun, ah. Di tayo kasi may delivery na. Tada! Ano kaya ito? apple, mascarpone. Ay, hindi na pwede. Nag-ano-ano na pala. Muslot. Ayan na. Bumuslot na sila. Ayan na to. Onion. May onions. May detergent. Yung grapes hindi na pwede. Alright. Yung patatas. Kunin natin patatas. Ano po? High protein. Fat free. High protein. Fat free. Isa na. Ano ba yan? Kuha natin ito. Patatas. Yeah. Ang bigat, uy. Kuhanin natin ang stick, uy. Hindi ko makuha. Tara. Uy. Pizza. Ito. Yan, ito. Yan na ulit si kuya. Labas na to si kuya. Ayan. Tara na. Tara. Melon.
Yeah.
You wanna get it?
Once you can.
This is, oh, it smells good. This is honeydew.
Are they organic?
I don't know. I don't see. I don't know.
This has got a soft spot. But the rest of it is probably okay. Maybe.
Yeah. We'll see. If not, we'll give it to Wilma.
Mm-hmm. Maybe they have seeds.
Yeah, we'll plant it. This one's honeydew too. You want some of this too?
No.
No, no good. How about this one? Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
White House cantaloupe.
What's this? No.
No good. No.
No.
Let me get this. There's some carrots in here. There's a good carrots, huh?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Perfect time
Yeah, right.
for that stew meat.
There's
This
two.
time. And the potatoes.
Yep. Yeah.
We'll make
I
a
forget
beef
about
stew.
this. I forget what you call this.
Pomegranate?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab some. Some pomegranate, good one. This apple's no good. No, this one. This one is good. Next na nila ate, si yellow bean. Ganito na to si yellow bean. I thought they were all good, just one. Alright, at least we found something in here. Let's check this one. Oh, look
Potato
at that.
chips.
They did what they did to the potato chips.
Popcorn.
That
It's-
smells good, boy.
Mm.
Yeah. Pumpkin. It's like the blue bean. Ano kaya ito, oh, punong-puno ng laman. Ang baho. Baho miss. Amoy tangkal ng rig. It's disgusting. I wonder what is that. It's full. It seems sealed though.
Oh?
Yeah. Oh? What's in it? What was that? You see the label?
No label.
No? It's
Looks like
blue.
a cleaner.
It's blue. Warning. Children can...
Yeah, it's a cleaner.
Oh,
What does it say? It has something on it.
there's a warning.
Oh, a baby can fall in the bucket.
Oh, okay. That's
Upside
it.
down. Some kind of...
Cleaner. Okay, we'll get something. Parang wala. Parang wala pa rin. Yeah, they clean up. Stop that bag.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Wala. Wala. Kaliran yung mask. There's nothing in here, but kinainan lang yan. Ano natin dito? Oh, mahal. Come here. Oh, karne to, oh. Wow, this is meat. Oh, it's still cold. Oh, may meat tayo. Ano natin? Thank you. May karne akong nakita. Kalamig, uy. Food stock na ito. Oh, may ano tayo. May karne, oh. Oh. Uy, beef stew. Oh, may beef stew. Ang ganda pa ng karne, oh. Wow, pulang-pula ang beef stew natin. Bumuka na yung ayan, uy, ito organic strawberry. Ito, onion, chive, cream cheese spread. Uy, masarap yan. Sayang yung pasta. Kumpas na. Ay, hindi. Oh. Ano tayo? Organic pasta, oh. Oh, there's more meat. French macaron. Bukas na. Oh, bawas na. Bukas na. Uy, may ice cream. Ice cream. Wala, kainin natin ito. Maano pa, nag-yellow pa, oh. Nag-yellow pa yung ice cream. Ito pa. Onion chives. Bukas na yung yogurt. Tada! Uy, mga chocolate pecan, oh. Ay, sayang. Masarap kaya to. Peanut butter cups. Masarap itong na buksan siguro ito. Ang dami. Ayun, oh, that's too bad. Nabuo sila. Sayang. Ang bango. Para yung rice, eh. Nakuha na ako dito dati. Wilted na yung mga gulay. Ano to? Cruciferous Crunch Collection. Kale, Brussels sprout, broccoli. 4 times. Ay, wilted na. Wilted na. Kaya nila sinapon. Sayang yung chocolate. Mahal, oh. Nito. What's in here? Prutas na bulukis. Napunta po na sila. Wala man dito mahal. There's nothing in here. Bulok-bulok na itong mga to. There's nothing in here. Yeah, there's nothing in there.
Wala?
Wala. Hinggian man to. So, tingnan natin. Oh, bukas. Oh, chicken quesadilla. It's open.
Open.
Yeah, it's
That's
open.
too bad.
Right. I'll take this cucumber. Yeah, it's too bad. What is this? Oh, wala. Nothing here. Nothing. Wala. May dami. Alright. Ayun, may nakuha tayo kahit paano. Tara na.